Hello children, let's learn about the letters of the alphabet. Let's learn about letter H. Letter H says H in words. Can you make this sound? To make the H sound, start by opening your mouth slightly. Keep your tongue relaxed and low in your mouth. Then push air out gently through your open mouth while making a breathy sound. Now say the sound H. You can stretch out the H sound like this. Say the word hat slowly and listen to the sound the letter H makes at the beginning. Practice saying hat and notice how your breath feels when you make that sound. Now let's meet some words that begin with the letter H. House, hammer, hands, honey, hippopotamus. Now place your hand on your throat and say H and notice that there is no vibration. This happens because H makes an unvoiced sound. Now let's air write uppercase letter H. You can take your pointer and middle finger and air write as we go along. To write an uppercase H, start at the top, pull down, pick up, pull down, pick up and pull across. You can try this again. Start at the top, pull down, pick up, pull down, pick up, pull across. You can pause this video and practice some more. Now let's air write lowercase letter h. You can take your pointer and middle finger and air write as we go along. To write lowercase h, start at the top, pull down, pick up to the middle, make a hump. That's how you write lowercase h. Let's try this again. Start at the top, pull down, up to the middle, make a hump. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. There are many more letters to learn about in this series, so do keep watching.